test flight of landing. This is my first prototype of some pontoons for the AR.Drone, and I've got a duck buddy that's coming up here. So I'm tested that it actually does float, but let's see if it can actually land and take off from the water. This will be interesting. Alright, I'm going to take off from land. Alright, it's struggling with the weight. So I'm going to see if I can retrieve it, and I'm going to take off the body. So I've definitely got a weight issue. Let's try it without the body. Ah, crap. Let's get control of this thing first. Alright, we've got lift. Let's try a landing. Alright, it landed. Let's try a takeoff. Oh, shit! Move the power. Immediately. All right. Well, as you can see, it got very wet. And my hand's covered in duck shit. Ah, fuck.